I'm going to be sharing how I use the Goldfaber Dual Aqua markers, which I absolutely adore. And we're going to be sketching one of my favourite subjects, a teacup. We're going to draw the teacup. We're then going to add the gold edging and the shadow, add the pattern markers, and then we're going to add watercolour over the top. So I'm going to draw a vertical line first of all, and then I'm going to draw an ellipse, the T shape inside. I'm going to draw this. Then I'm going to draw the saucer. So I draw that shape, then I come and fill it in. So now I have my teacup drawn. So I'm going to come and I'm just going to do some broken lines around here, and I'm using the fine point, switch to the brush pen. The main thing is just to do some variation, just mix it up a little bit. I'm going to add the T shape. They're going to have some warm reflected lights. Come and put that through here. When you add the pattern, they'll just come to life. You could decide to make the cup pink or yellow or orange, whatever colour you want. So I'm using the light marker, the dark marker, a little bit of black, and then I'm putting watercolour over the top. I've got to just make sure I'm focusing on the amount of paint and water. So I mixed up like 10 strokes of this yellow colour, 10 strokes of the blue, maybe not quite as 10, and I've got this. So this whole thing about the amount of water is just something that you gain by experience. And I mean, this is about done now. There we go. Can you follow that? I hope you'll have as much fun as I have and you'll give them a try. Thanks.